Friends, renewing your Ontario driving license is very simple and it's a 6 to 8 minutes job. I'll show you how to do that. And for that, once you enter and search for renew driving license, you will come to this link, the Ontario government's official website. Okay, always look for correct page. And once you come here, click on renew a driver license. Now here you get option to renew driver's license and health card if both their expiry dates are near to each other. So if it is in the same period of window. In my case, the driving license and health card have different expiry date and year. So I'll have to choose the driver license option only. In your case, you can choose both if the expiry dates are near to each other. And you can also set a reminder. I'll show that link to you. That way you don't have to forget and you will be notified by email and phone, whatever preference you choose. So here I'm showing you the driver license renewal. Once you click here, you come to this page, renew online. And for renewal, you come to this page, renew driver license. Click again. Okay, it repeats. So then you come to this page where you have to choose card you want to renew online. As I said, you have option to renew both driver license and health card, and that option is available in case they both are nearly close to each other's expiry date, or you can choose any one of them. Here driver license gets chosen and then click start. Okay, now on this page you will need a driver license. You'll have to fill in your driver license detail, and then you can pay through Visa or MasterCard, either which is a debit or credit. Now in case you're not able to do online, in that case you'll have to make a physical visit to Service Ontario location, and that also you can see which is the closest one. I'll show you that option too as we move with this video. For the online renewal eligibility, you need to have a full license that is GM or GM class, and that is not cancelled, suspended, or expired for more than 12 months. It's always better to apply much in advance before the expiry date comes. Even if it is expired, they allow you to do this online for the next 12 months. Okay, and you have a combination of class as it is shown here. You haven't updated your address within last 90 days, so you must meet these clauses, and you don't need test vision written or road test. In case you have any of the problem related to what is given here, then the process would be different. Okay, and you're not removing a vision condition, so this is also one of the requirement, and no new medical condition that may prevent you from driving, and you don't have any outstanding fee, fine, or penalty. So you have to meet this eligibility for you to do this online. So I am meeting all this requirement, and then once you come down, has your address changed? Because your address has changed, you have to first update the address, and takes within 6 days of change of address you'll have to do this part. So for that you have this link through which you can go and update the address. I'm assuming you don't require to update an address, and you just need to fill in the online application for renewal. And you can see here, if it is 5 years driver license, the cost is $90. But again, it depends on how much validity you will be given. The renewal period is not for full 5 years. For example, the expiry date on your driver license is changing to match the expiry date on your health card. So if it is less than 5 years, the fee changes. Okay, this part, and then it will arrive by mail in 4 to 6. So that is one thing, and the fee may vary if you are 76 years of age or older. So once you do go through this, come down and click this part and continue. So first question what is getting asked is, do you require glasses or contact lens? So choose your option. Okay, I wear glasses, so I select that. And since you renewed your driver license last, have you had any medical condition that may affect your ability to drive, or has a doctor told you not to drive? You choose the answer accordingly and then continue. Now it's time for you, the step 2, to enter the driver license. Now, so where do you find the driver license? I'm sure you know, but if you don't know, once you come here, see, this is how your driving license would have the number. So just enter that number. So once you have entered, check, recheck, and double check. Make sure the entries are correct, and then come down. Now the 7 digit between the asterisk, where to find this? Once you click here, you see here, while here the description shows the 7 digit somewhere here, you would actually find that little down where the barcode is. Okay, so if you look somewhere here, you would find the asterisk sign and the number written. So don't get confused and write the number what is shown without asterisk at back of your card. So once you enter this number which is within asterisk, then you click add. Once you click add, you come to step 3, which is entering your postal code. So once you enter your postal code here, then you come down. The email address is optional, but always recommended. That way you get an update, the email and the phone number. Phone number is a requirement. So I will enter the email address and confirm the email address, enter the phone number. I don't have an extension, so I will not be entering that part. So once these details are entered, continue. And then the step 4 is reviewing your detail. So once you click here, right, you'll be able to read what has been entered in both the cases. Once you click here, and here get to see the detail what is entered. You can just check, recheck and double check them, and in case any edit is required, you click. Okay, so I check my detail, it all looks good. Come down, check the postal code, email address, primary phone number. So in case again any edit is required, you can do the edit. So in my case it all looks good. And then come down, click on the certification, I confirm, and then continue. Now the last step is the payment part. As you can see, because it is not a full 5-year driving license renewal, the amount due, what it shows here, is less than what was shown initially, that $90. So you have a payment method here. Come down and then pay now. Okay, sometimes you get this technical issue and they don't allow you to do online. I'm guessing that they would like to validate my details in person and they're asking me to visit the Service Ontario Center. In case you don't get this message, you just enter your the credit or debit card information, do the payment, and you will be done with your renewal of services. So in my case, I'll have to visit the Service Ontario Center. Once you click here, right, on this page, you enter the postal address and the service what you need. Like once you enter the postal address and you write the service what is required from the driving license, you have all these options: renew driver license, and then search. So you're shown the location where you can just walk and get this done. So it's as simple as that. Now in my case, I'll have to make a physical visit, and when I'm going, I would be definitely taking my passport because they might have question on whether I was there within Canada or not, which I'm assuming, and any other document to prove that I was in Canada. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful and you're able to get your online renewal of driving license. Thank you.